Hey guys, welcome back to my little taste test show where I eat snacks. And it's fun, I love it. Woo! Today I'm gonna try the Sakura sake Kit Kats. And if you're wondering if there's actually sake in the Kit Kat, there is. Oh yeah. These actually have 0.07% alcohol. And if you are curious, sake is an alcoholic beverage made with fermented rice. And it is honestly so delicious. It is such an art form, but today they are mixing it with some cherry blossom flavors. So Sakura is a cherry blossom, and these were made in honor of the cherry blossom season in Japan, which I've never seen, but you know, we can get the experience in a Kit Kat. Isn't that great? Yes, it is. I found these at my local Asian market. Let's take a look at the packaging. So really gorgeous packaging. I can't get over these, they're just so pretty. I'm gonna open it nicely because I do want to take a photo. I don't know how to, oh, I ruined it. I got a pack of 12 minis. They're definitely minis, so babies. But I'm glad I did because I think this cost me like $9. It was very expensive, but understandably so considering these are from Japan. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Okay. Ooh, light pink. Oh my. This smells like a lotion bar that I would rub all over my body. Like if someone gave me this Kit Kat right now, I would think it was lotion. I mean, but then again, cherry blossom. I think flowers, floral, that is soapy. That makes sense. Whoa. This is so cool. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh, and this one, I can taste that alcohol. I feel like I'm drinking. It's like a subtle, sweet, light, creamy cherry with white chocolate. So imagine a cherry white chocolate with floral, kind of soapy notes, but not in a bad way. And then the aftertaste is a kick of sake. Like you're taking a sweet sake shot. Am I drunk? I mean, these Kit Kats were made for a special occasion. These were made for the cherry blossoms. They have sake because people celebrate with sake. I think it's a really fun experience in a candy, which I think is so cool. Am I gonna crave this ever again? Or even right now? No. Am I in love with the flavors? No. But reading it, I didn't think I was gonna be in love with it. There's no false advertising here. It tastes exactly the way it says. And I think that makes this a winner because you know exactly what you're getting. It's not like those Chips Ahoy Sour Patch Kid cookies that I got that tasted like burnt cake and Gushers. These actually taste like cherry blossom and sake in a Kit Kat. So I think these are awesome. I'm gonna just keep these in my house, and actually I think I might freeze these so they don't go bad. They're really good for gifts, or if I have guests over, it's one of those things you can be like, hey, wanna try a Japanese Kit Kat? We got them. I think it's great, or I'll just save it for some trick-or-treaters. No, I can't. There's 0.07% alcohol. I'm a fan of these. Thumbs up. I think it's an experience, but don't go buy these if you want like a dessert you're gonna eat every single night. This is not that. This is a special occasion, and I feel like that's what they were going for, so yay. I'll see you guys later. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to try next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channels. Okay? Mwah. Bye.